Are cruise company stocks like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian going to go bankrupt? When Norwegian Cruises warned of bankruptcy, it sparked unrest, only for them to announce the very next day that they raised over $2.2 billion. This money is able to help keep them afloat for over a year. However, what happens when it runs out? These companies' success depends on getting customers back on their cruises. But that's not going to be easy with their new track record. They are most likely going to have to reduce prices, which is going to hurt their earnings. And something I would like to point out, because these companies are not incorporated in the US, they do not receive any government aid. So while these companies are able to stay afloat for over a year in some cases, it is going to be difficult.